Shmoji here. I'm going to show you how to install Node Version Manager for Windows. If you don't know already, NVM lets you easily install and change the version of Node.js and npm being used. I'm going to assume you already know what npm is. If not, just Google it. Okay, first, Google nvm-windows releases. Click the GitHub repo that looks like this. Click nvm setup.zip. Go into the downloaded directory and double-click the installer. Just accept this, click Next, Next, Install. To check that the Node Version Manager actually installed, open a terminal and type nvm --version. If it shows the version installed like this, then you are all good. Now, I'm going to show you the basics of using this package. To install a new version of Node Package Manager, type nvm install latest to get the latest version, or type nvm install and then put whatever version you desire, such as 10.0.0. To see what versions that you have installed already, type nvm list. And then, to choose which version to use, simply type nvm use whatever version you need, like 10.0.0. That should be all the information you need to use NVM. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe. Shmoji out.